So here we are. It's December 26th of 2010. It's the day after Christmas. And in southeastern Virginia, the city of Newport News, and here we go. Quite a bit of snow. That's a real big change for us. We're not really used to this. Chickens are quite upset. They can't come out and play, and they really don't like the snow. Lots of little birds are hungry out there. We put some feed out there for them since everything else is covered. But a lot of snow. Here's our patio table. As you can see, I have to step back a little bit because it's so full of snow. We put a little bit of bird seed and some bread underneath there for the little birds that were scavenging and weren't getting enough food from the bird feeder out here because of the little blackbirds and the blue jays, some of the bigger birds. But here we are. Here's Jules' big tree that she normally plays on. It's all covered in snow. The tiki torches have an interesting new touch on the top. And that up on top of the hanging out from the fence wall there is a hummingbird feeder. And those are our patio chairs.